This is how you're going to buy GoDaddy domain and email starter bundles. So this is a single combined purchase via the GoDaddy website. So step 1, you're going to search and add domain. You're going to open the GoDaddy website and then use the search bar to find and add your desired domain name. You can do yourbusiness.com to your cart. So you can also just search for GoDaddy.com offers, and then from there you can choose among all of these options right here. So you can choose Pro Lite, Pro Plus, Premium, Ultra, but you will be able to see everything that comes with your email right here. So from here, you can see that this one has the email storage. You also have anti-spam and antivirus tools, shared calendars, and all of that stuff. And then usually this one actually comes with a domain already. So this one is a domain-based email. So another thing that you can do is this Pro Plus. You can do email storage, Titan writing tools, multi-account support, blog center, undo send, turbo search, and then you could just click on any of these. So all of these plans actually comes with a domain already. So all you have to do is to choose one that suits your suits your job best. But since we only want the email starter bundles, we can just go for the Pro Lite one. So we're going to click on add to your cart. So again, you're going to look for the section offering add-ons and choose the professional email or email starter bundle option to add to your cart. Now once you're done adding that bundle to your cart, you're just going to double check if for how long you want to have this professional email Pro Lite. You can just choose 1 month. You can also choose among all of these, you can choose 12, 24, and then 36. So the least that you can do is 1 month, and then the maximum that you can choose is 36 months. Now you're going to add the mailbox right here. You can decide how many mailbox you want, and then from there you're just going to collect your order summary right here, going to check if you have the correct price, and then if you have a promo code, you can just click on promo code right here and then enter the promo code that you have and then click on apply. After that, you're going to click on ready for checkout. Now once you click on ready for checkout, all you have to do is you're going to create an account. So if you don't already have an account yet, you're going to click on or create an account. Now, you're going to confirm the terms after that. Like for example, you can go for 1 year registration and 1 year email, and then again, you're going to sign in and then complete the purchase via the online checkout process. And that is how you're going to buy GoDaddy domain and email starter bundles. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.